Hi guys, I'm Owen Warner and welcome to the channel. Alright ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're out here with part 3 of chasing panfish. I have not really done a good job on explaining this series, but basically we're chasing panfish. We're going to be fishing the southwestern part of Minnesota as of now for the next few days, and we soon will be going up to the metro area and then hopefully up further north for some more panfish. But basically we're going to be catching big panfish, targeting those big crappie, big bluegills, big sunfish, and we're just going to be showing you guys what we catch and maybe throwing in a few pointers too. But right now we're out here on Lake Madison, southwest Minnesota. Been out here the last 3 days. It slowed down. The first day was hot, second day was third day was but Josh's first time out here. Austin's coming later. Me and Josh are pre-fishing right now because Austin's bringing some ladies. They want to get on some fish, but let's catch some fish today. Let's have some fun. It's a little bit chilly. It's a little bit sunny right now. We're supposed to have a blizzard rolling in, but who knows? Who knows? With this Minnesota weather, as you can see, high pressured lake. There's houses all around us right now. Ice is cracking. We did drive out today, but as I was drilling, like 9 inches, 10 inches ice, so my car's pretty light, but there's been some half-ton pickup trucks right around us. We're still fine, but let's get on some panfish. I'll catch up with you guys when we get a few fish on the ice. Alright, we got a big mark on bottom. Big mark. Going all the way down. Drop it right past him, hit the bottom, bounce the bottom real quick. Do you have him on your screen? This is giant. Dude, this is huge. Dude, look at this mark, Jack. Come and look at it. Jared, look at this mark. Oh, wow. Yeah. He's not even interested. Stubborn little guys. Alright guys, spot one, nothing. Josh had a few on the screen. They were marked all around like 10 to 12, and then he saw some on bottom, but most likely ones on bottom were either perch or sunnies. But we're gonna move over towards this point here. This point sticks out, it kind of drops off quick. It goes from like 6, 10, 12, 17, 20, 22. So we're gonna move over towards this red ice house over here. But yeah, it's kind of slow. Everybody said you got to work for them right now, so they're kind of shutting off a little bit. They're just moving out to the deeper water. But we're gonna do this for another 35 minutes, I think, 45 minutes, and we're gonna go rip some sunfish where we know there's fish, and also crappie mixed in. So stay tuned.
Are you even marking stuff? I heard some people yelling over this way. Yeah, red, white, and blue looks good.
We'll go catch fish right over here. We're heading out right now, I think. Alright guys, crappie spot, awful. We switched about 3 times, fishing depths from 14 all the way to 27, I think it was, right? 27. Mm-hmm. And we weren't marking anything. Nobody's really marking anything. We just talked to one guy, pulled up to our original sunfish spot. We're gonna start drilling holes around here. We fished this spot quite a bit, but we talked to this guy on the way, and he said he's just catching bass right now on jig heads, but I mean, I don't know what even that means. I don't know how you can target bass with jig heads and under the ice, but whatever. We're going for some crappies and gills. They're big ones around here, and the crappies are mixed in, and those also have some decent size, right around 10 to 12. So let's get on some fish, shoot a good video here and have some fun. But for now, we gotta just find them. That's we haven't been marking anything, and we need to find them fast. So stay tuned, and let's get some fish on the ice. Alright guys, first fish of the day, nothing special, really actually small gill for out here. Just switched up spots, moved just a little bit towards our first spot that we were out here, and switched up to a red spike, double red spikes. They don't like the whites today. I've been getting my red stolen, so beautiful gill, great color. but we're gonna get him back. He's not a keeper. There he goes. Oh, that kills. That fucking kills, boys. It fucking hurts. That hurts. That was a nice fish. Oh, you probably saw that. That was a tap and a half. Aggressive gill. I was gonna say that one's probably a little bit bigger, but it's hard to tell. Really, it is. Really important, guys. I see this in a lot of my ice fishing videos that this is hanging parallel to the ice. So that looks like it could be a minnow or some kind of little bug swimming parallel to the bottom. Some fish don't care, but I'm alright. This guy's gonna come up and eat. Yeah, get ready. Here you go. Oh, he's gonna. Came back and pulled it away. Another kill. Again, it's small for this lake. At least it's got a nice little gill population, but look at that bottom of his tail right there, that pretty blue. Wow, what a color. That's probably only about a 5 or 6 incher here, but he came back. I pulled it away from him first because I thought I felt a little up hit, like a crappie hit, but he actually just didn't even touch it at all, and it was just my imagination. But I dropped back down, he was still suspended. He came right back up and he was hungry, so we'll get this guy back too. He's not big enough to keep. Just like that, easy enough. But hey guys, I mean that's how big of a difference these red spikes can play. I mean, as you can see, we've been fishing all day with white on our things, and white's just not the play. And the red, I don't know if it's, I mean, I'm guessing it's the red spike. I put double red spike on, and that's all she takes. I'm starting to catch some fish. I'm seeing a lot more fish. I would say it was the hole, but we were marking fish over there, and I really just don't think it was the hole. I think it was, they're going to be finicky, and when fish are finicky, you got to find what they like. It's like a picky eater. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. This one's a little bit more finicky. This is a bigger one. Just thinking about it. Pulling it up a little high here. He's chasing it a little bit. He's hesitant. Here he comes. He's gonna eat. He's gonna eat. Here he comes. Pause it. A little bit bigger.
Slaying those little guys?
Yeah.
How many have you got?
That's 3. I missed 4.
Where's the other hole two drill?
Another gill. About the same size, a little bit bigger, but getting him back too. So if you guys haven't noticed, what I'm doing is, oh, here goes one. That's a nice fish right there. That's a real nice one. That's a nicer one. There we go. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Beautiful. Look at that fish. That is what we're looking for right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that gill. Let's go. That's huge. Real nice gill. I almost lost her with the transducer, but I mean, wow, that's what we come out to Madison for right here. Target these guys. Beautiful fish. How do we work them? So hold up here. So kind of like what I was just saying, bring it up above that little weed edge right there. Small little taps. Once you see something moving a little bit, you lift her up nice and slow. Give her some more taps just like this. If they shoot back down, give them some taps up high. If they're not looking at it like they want it, like this guy looks like he wants it, I'm gonna stay up high here. I'm gonna raise a little bit even. While giving it taps, he's gonna eat right when I go back down. I slowly lower, Give it 3 little jiggles here. And smoked. They're all over it. Oh, he was all over it. 2 of them. Weird. I've never seen 2 of them race up at it and both of them stop hitting it. That's where I just got to be more aggressive with my shakes. This guy's gonna crush it. Oh my gosh, I pulled it away from him. No. Get the deucer out of the way. Did you lose him? Dude.
But each time when I get it to the hole, it just
Another small gill.
It goes like this. And it pulls. So like it just
Tighten your drag.
I do have it pretty tight.
Well, not if you're pulling it like that. There you go. Big fish. Big head shakes. Yep. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Tanker. Yes. Yes. That is what we're looking for.
That's like the one I just lost.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, let's go. Oh, yes, please. Hello, mommy.
That's a big one.
Josh just lost the same exact one in the hole.
No way.
Again. Yes, sir. Look at that. I have no clue what the fuck that is. Tripping it out. Yeah, crap. It's gotta be. Nope. Dang, this gill up hit it. My little guy, still pretty as ever, but obviously not a keeper. Gosh, I love this fish. Well, guys, I just caught the bass. I didn't have my GoPro on. I don't know why. I never have my GoPro on when I need it, but they're not even part of this. We're looking for panfish, not bass, but it was fun. It was only about 1.5 pounds, but it still just taking drag through the hole, obviously. What's up? Alright guys, so I accidentally missed it, but I got a crappie again. Again, my GoPro's off. I don't know why, but I need to check out these. Hey guys, early on Tuesday morning here, just finished editing the video, and I realized I didn't do an outro again. That's my bad, I gotta work on that. But this video is probably gonna be the last video of Southwest Minnesota chasing panfish. I think I'm gonna move up to the metro area. I'm gonna do 3 videos up in the metro area, that being the Twin Cities, all around the Twin Cities, and then I'm gonna move up north to finish out this series. But we will return to this lake for sure later in the year for late ice and catch some big crappies out of this lake when they move into that deep hole. But thank you again for watching, guys. Thank you all for tuning in, and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. There's no video going on my personal channel this week. I might upload something later this week, maybe something small. I'll figure out something, but just one video, Chasing Panfish episode 3. We got the shark video on. Let's go catch some fish in the metro area.